Hi, Rob Romarino here with Sentry Equipment, and I'd like to extend an invitation to our 2025 Fall Open House. The event will take place from October 10th to the 17th right here at our office in Blackwood, New Jersey. So what we do is we have a 2-hour private appointment with you. We learn about your business and educate you about all our equipment and how we can help. All our ElectroFreeze equipment will be running and on display. So whether you're interested in soft serve, shakes, hard ice cream, gelato, Italian ice, frozen cocktails, whatever frozen dessert you're interested in, we can help. So if you're looking to improve your business or considering a fresh idea, the open house is great for you. We're offering a $1,000 credit on any new equipment purchase and $200 parts and labor credit just for attending. So if you're looking to purchase new equipment to offset some profit for 2025, considering a fresh idea for your business for 2026, or just want to overall improve your business and learn what's exciting and new in the industry, it will benefit you for attending our 2025 Fall Open House. To register, just give us a call or visit our website at sentryequipment.net and book your time slot today. Hope to see you at the event. Thanks.